average weight of P and his three friends is 55 kgs. Here we are having a mathematical question. The average of weight of P and his three friends is 55 kg. If P is 4 kg more than average weight of his three friends, what is P's weight in kg? Is it 60, 54, 58, or 62? Let's see first of all what things are given. We are given average weight of P and his three friends. What it is? 55 kg, right? So also we are given one more thing. Weight of P is equal to 4 kg more than average weight of three friends. Let's see the formula that we'll be using in this question. The formula is the total sum of terms is equal to average into number of terms. Correct? Let's go with the solution part. So the solution says the total weight of P, what you are given, the total weight of P plus three friends is equal to 55 into 4 because one is P and then three friends, total of 4 people are there. That is equal to 220 kgs. Average weight of three friends. Let average weight of three friends is equal to X. So the what will be the total weight of three friends? Of course, it's going to be 3x. Correct? The weight of P is equal to X plus 4, right? Total weight of P is equal to X plus 4. This is given to us in the question. See, right? So I'll be filling in the values now. Where I'll be filling in the values, the total weight of P. See in this one. Okay, I'll be filling the values in this portion. The total weight of P, so this will become X plus 4 plus 3 friends. What was the weight of 3 friends? It was 3x is equal to 220. This gives you 4x plus 4 is equal to 220, which gives you 4x is equal to 216, or x is equal to 216 divided by 4, which is 54. So what is P's weight right now? It's 4 plus x, that's 4 plus 54, that is equal to 58 kg. This is your answer. Let's check the options. Option C is the correct answer for this question. I hope you're clear here. Let's move to the next question. Question number 52. A sold mobile phone to B at a gain of 25% and B sold it to C at a loss of 10%. If C paid 5625 for it, how much did A pay in rupees for the phone? Is it 4500, 4800, 5100 or 5000? Which is the correct answer? C. We are given what? Let's write down what things are given to us. So given things are A sold to B at a profit of 25%. B sold it to C at a loss of 10%, right? And how much did C pay? C paid 5625 rupees. Correct. Let's go with the solution part. This is a basic profit loss question. Here is A and here is B. So let price paid by A let price paid by A is equal to X rupees, right? He had a profit percent of 25. So what will be the selling price? It will be X plus 25% of X, which will be 125 upon 100 into X. So this is the price which is paid by B. That means this is the cost price of B. He had a loss of 10%. What will be the selling price for B? See, this will be 5 upon 4x. So this will be 5 upon 4x minus 10% of 5 upon 4x, which will be equal to 5 upon 4x minus 10 upon 100 into 5 upon 4, right? So this will come out to be, I'll say 5 over here and 2 over here. So this will be 5 by 4 minus 25 by 200 of X. This gives you, I'll take the LCM as 200. So here will be 250 minus X minus 25X is equal to 225 upon 200X. Correct? So this is the selling price. Now, according to this, the selling price of B will be the cost price of C. So C paid for the C, the cost price was 225 upon 200x, or if I'll solve this, this will be 45 upon 40x. But how much C paid actually? C paid 5625 rupees. So according to question, 45 by 40x is equal to 5625, which gives you x is equal to 5625 multiplied by 40 whole divided by 45. Right, when you will solve this, you will get rupees 5,000 as your answer. Let's check the options. This option D is the correct answer for our question. I hope you're clear with this, right? All right, then let's move to the next question, number 53. Question number 53 says the angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower at the point distance 78 meter from its base is 30 degrees. Okay, so here it is. How much higher must the tower be raised so that the angle of elevation of the top of the finished tower at the same point will be 60 degree? See over here what you are given in the question. First of all, let's write down the things. You are given angle of elevation of top of unfinished tower at a point is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of finished tower at a point is 60 degrees. So let's make this first of all. Let's draw a diagram so that we can be clear. Okay, so here is the base, right? This angle is given. This is the unfinished tower. This is the point of the unfinished tower. I am marking it as O. This is 30 degree, and this one, let's see, after finishing, this with the height of the tower, and this angle is, this is point A, and this angle is 60 degrees. This is point B, this is point C, and this is point O. Correct. This is 30 degree and this is 60 degrees angle. Also, you are given one more thing, the distance from the tower to the point. Distance of the tower from the point is 78 meters. So what is this distance? Actually, this distance is nothing but BC is 78 meters. So let's, I hope you are clear with the situation of the question. Now let's move this question. This question involves trigonometry. So let's discuss, let's start with this. Here you are given OC is the height of unfinished tower. This is unfinished tar, OC, and AC is finished tar. Correct? AC is the height of the finished tar. Now in triangle OBC, you have tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? It's perpendicular upon base, right? So OC upon BC. Tan 30 degree, you all know what is the value of the tan 30 degree. It's 1 upon root 3. So let's write 1 upon root 3 is equal to OC, and BC we know this is 78. From here, what you will have, OC is equal to 78 upon root 3. You know one thing, we don't leave the rational numbers in the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator, what you will get? You'll get 78 root 3 upon 3, which will give you, after like 78 divided by 3, will give you 26 root 3. Okay, this is the value of OC. Now, let the height of the tower be raised by OA, that is equal to X. This OA, I'm assuming as X. Let's do. Now, let height of the tower will be raised OA is equal to X centimeters. Okay, or meters, sorry, it's meters in the question. So here should be the meters only. Now, in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to AC upon BC, which is perpendicular upon base. See this AC upon BC, this is tan 60 degree. And you know tan 60 degree is equal to under root 3, correct? And this AC is equal to what? This is equal to OA plus OC. OA plus OC. C, the whole divided by BC. You know, BC is 78. So this will be 78 root 3 is equal to OA plus OC. We just calculated OC. OA we will write as such, and OC we just calculated. It was 26 root 3. So 78 root 3 minus 26 root 3 is equal to OA, which will give you 52 root 3 is equal to OA. So this is the answer for our question, 52 root 3 meters. Hope you are clear with this question. Let's check the options, which is the correct one. Option A is the correct answer for this question, 52 root 3. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move. Next is question number 54. A motorboat whose speed is 20 kilometers per hour in still water takes 30 minutes more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to cover the same distance downstream. If the speed of the boat in still water is increased by 2 kilometers per hour, then how much time would it take to go 39 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream? All right, so let's start with the question. First of all, you need to know that it's given, what things are given to us. First of all, let's write them. Basic thing that's given to us is the motorboat speed is 20 kilometers per hour in still water. So given speed of motorboat in still water is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. And how much the distance is covered? 24 kilometers, right? Speed of the boat in still water is increased by 2 kilometer per hour. Then how much time will it get to travel 39 kilometers and 30 kilometers? Also, it's given that the speed of the motor boat is 20 kilometer per hour in still water takes 30 minutes more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to cover downstream. So what concept we'll be using in this question? First of all, if in this question, if we assume speed of a boat in still water to be x kilometers per hour, and I assume speed of stream to be y kilometers per hour. Then what will be the downstream and the upstream speed? Downstream speed is equal to x plus y kilometers per hour, and the upstream speed will be subtracted, okay, because they are moving in the opposite direction. It will be x minus y, right? Also, you know, the time is equal to distance upon speed. This formula is of course there. So let's move towards the solution of the problem. So in this question, what is given to us? See, according to the question, the motorboat takes, in this question it's given, the motorboat takes 30 minutes more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to go for downstream. Correct? I'll be using this thing. So first of all, let the speed of water. See, this is just the concept that I'm using. Now the actual solution is starting from here. Let the speed of water is equal to x kilometers per hour. What is the distance? It is 24 kilometers, right? So speed upstream. See, in the case of upstream, the speed is, both the speeds are added, right? So initially the speed of the boat was what? It was 20. So now the speed will be 20 minus x, right? For the upstream, the speed will be kilometer per hour, and so the time taken in this case will be 24 upon 20 minus x. Similarly, speed for downstream. Now both are moving in the same direction, so it will be added, correct? And what will be the time in this case? It's 24 upon 20 plus x. According to question, T1 minus T2 is equal to 30 minutes. I'll have to change this minutes into hours. Why? Because the speed is given in hour. So it is 1 by 2 hour. T1 is 24 upon 20 minus x minus 24 upon 20 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. Right? I'll take the 24 common from here. So this will be 1 upon 20 minus x minus 1 upon 20 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. 24 common, 20 plus x minus 20 plus x upon 20 minus x into 20 plus x is equal to 1 by 2. So 24 into 2, these 20 will cancel into 2x is equal to 20 minus x into 20 plus x. This will give you 96x is equal to 400 minus x square, or x square plus 96x minus 400 is equal to 0. Right. So this is a quadratic equation. Let's see the factors. This will be 100x and minus 4x. Minus 400 is equal to 0. I'll take the x common. So x plus 100 minus 4x plus 100. Again, this is equal to 0. So this will be x plus 100 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. That means x will be either 100 or 4. Of course, you can't have the negative value for the speed. Therefore, speed of water is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Correct? Now, the speed of the motorboat. Now, this is the second case. This was given. The speed of the motorboat in still water is increased by 2 kilometers per hour. See, in this question, it is given. If the speed is increased by 2 kilometers per hour, then how much time will it take to go 39 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream? So now we are going to tackle the second case. So the speed of motor boat in still water is increased by 2 kilometers per hour, then the new speed will be 20 plus 2, that is equal to 22 kilometers per hour. Now, the time for 39 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream, you have to calculate, right? Time for 39 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream. This is equal to 39 upon 22. See, the two speeds are added, right? And 30. In the case of upstream, the speeds will be subtracted. So this is 24 minus 4, correct? This will give you 39 upon 26 plus 30 upon 18, right? So this is equal to 3 by 2 plus 5 upon 3, which will give you, you will be adding them and you will get 19 upon 6 hours. I'll be converting them into minutes. So you have 190 minutes, or this is equal to 3 hours and 10 minutes, right? So the motorboat will take 3 hours 10 minutes to go 39 kilometers downstream, 39 kilometers downstream and 30 kilometers upstream. This is your answer. Let's check out the options. 3 hours and 10 minutes is option B. This is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear. Let's move to the next question. Question number 55. If sine 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 into 1 plus cos theta, where theta lies in the first quadrant, see, theta lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So here is 90 degree, here is 0 degree. So theta lies in the first quadrant itself. Then what is the value of 2 tan theta plus 4 sine theta minus secant theta? So we'll start from here what we are given in the question. 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 into 1 plus cos theta, correct? So you can also say, I'll write the sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 into 1 plus cos square theta. Why? I'm using the identity 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. Correct. So this will make you 4 into 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to 3 into 1 plus cos theta. They will cancel, right? You will have 1 minus cos theta is equal to 3 by 4, or you will have cos theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, or this is equal to 1 by 4. This is the value of cos theta. Right. Now we can get all the other values for the tan, secant, and sine using this value only. Why? We are having a right angle triangle. Right? If this is the angle theta, then this is 1 and this is 4. Right? This is base upon hypotenuse. So this one is 1 and this is 4. Correct? Now you have to see the other values. The height in this case will be this one. If I have to find out using the Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, 4 square is equal to 1 square plus, if I'm taking this as x, plus x square. This will give you 16 minus 1 is equal to x square, or root 15 is equal to x. So you got your value for x, that is equal to under root 15. Correct? Now let's fill in the values for this. 2 tan theta plus 4 sine theta minus secant theta. Let's fill in the values. 2 tan theta plus 4 sine theta minus secant theta. So what will be the tan theta? Tan is perpendicular upon base plus 4 is perpendicular, sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and secant theta is 1 upon cos theta. Right? So what is the values if you are filling them? This will be 2 into perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular was 15 and the base is 1. Root 15, sorry. right? Plus 4 into perpendicular is under root 15 and hypotenuse is 4 minus 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta was 1 upon 1 by 4, which will give you a 4 only. Correct? So let's solve. You will have here, if you are solving this, you will have this will be 4 and 4 will cancel, and you will have 3 root 15 minus 4. So this is your answer. 3 root 15 minus 4 is the answer for this question. Right? So what is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear with this. So let's start with question number 56. You have to find the greatest number 23A68B, which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. You have to find out which of these four numbers will be there in place of this number. Okay, so let's start. First of all, the given number is 23A68B. Concept. See, you must know the divisibility test of 3 and the divisibility test of 9. What is divisibility test of 3? It says sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Okay? Should be divisible by 3. And for 9, it says the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Same thing. Okay, 3 and 9, they have the same divisibility test. The only difference is 3 says the sum of digits should be divisible by 3 and 9 says it should be divisible by 9. So now for the solution part, we'll be checking each and every option one by one. So for the first option, let's see the first option. It is 2, 3, 8, 6, 8, 9. Let's do the sum of digits. Sum of digits. That's 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. So this is equal to what? 36. You see, 36 is divisible by 3 and 36 is divisible by 9. It's divisible by both. So this is not my answer. Right? Let's check out the second one. The second one is 2, 3, 9, 6, 8, 5. Now let's see the sum of digits. See, the sum of digits is 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5. This is the sum of digits. So this is equal to 33. 33 is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 9. It leaves a remainder. So, see, this is the number which is divisible by 3, but not by 9. To confirm our answer, let's check with the other options as well. Here's the third one. 2, 3, 9, 6, 8, 8. Sum of digits is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 36. And you know 36 is divisible by both 3 and 9. Fourth one, it's 2, 3, 7, 6, 8, 7. The sum of digits in this case is 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 33. So this 33 is divisible by 3, but this is not divisible by 9. Okay. And you can see these two are my answer. Like 2 is also divisible by, option 2 is also divisible by 3 and not by 9. Even option 4 is divisible by 3 and not by 9. Now in the question, you have to find out the greatest number. Which out of these two is the greatest number? See, it's 239685 and it's 237687. And obviously option 2 is the one. Option B is my answer. This is the greatest number which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. I hope you are clear with this question. Then let's move to the next question, number 57. It says some students, only boys and girls, are from different schools appeared in an Olympiad exam. 20% of the boys and 15% of the girls failed in the exam. The number of boys who passed the exam was 70 more than that of the girls who passed in the exam. A total of 90 students failed. You have to find the number of students that appeared for the exam. Let's see what things are given to us in the question. First of all, let's write them. What you are given in the question: 20% of the boys and 15% of the girls failed in the exam, right? And the total number of students who failed, total number of students who failed is equal to 90, right? Let's go with the calculation part now. It says the percentage of boys who failed was 20, right? And the percentage of boys who passed will be what? It will be 100 minus 20%, that is equal to 80%. Similarly, the percentage of girls who passed was 100 minus 15%, that is equal to 85%, right? Now let the number of boys who appeared, let it be X, and for girls be Y. Okay, right? I hope you're clear till here. So now 80% of X minus 85% of Y is equal to 70, right? This is given in the question, right? The number of boys who passed is 70 more than the number of girls who passed. So that means 80 upon 100 of X minus 85 upon 100 of Y is equal to 70. 80x minus 85y is equal to 7 into 100, that is 70,000, 7,000, right? I'll take 5 common to reduce my calculations. If I'm taking 5 common, there will be 16x minus 17y is equal to 7,000. So 16x minus 17y will be equal to 7,000 divided by 5 will give you 1,400. Let's name this as 1. Okay, now you have another scenario also. What is that? See, according to question, 20% of X plus 15% of Y is equal to 90. It's given the total number of students who failed is 90 and 20% of boys failed and 15% of girls failed. So that means I'm doing the same thing. 20 upon 100 of X plus 15 upon 100 of Y is equal to 90. I'll take the 100 common from both of them, and even rather I'll take 5 upon 100 common from here. So now I'll be left with 4x plus 3y is equal to 90, correct? So this will give you 4x plus 3y is equal to 1800, and having this as 2. So now I got two equations with an x and y. Here is the first one and here's the second one. I'll solve them simultaneously. Let's go. So solving 1 and 2. What you are having, 16x minus 17y is equal to 1400, and the second equation was 4x plus 3y is equal to 1800. Okay, let's multiply the second equation with 4. What you will have if you are multiplying this with 4, this will be 16x plus 12y is equal to 7200. Okay, so now these are the two equations. I'll subtract them, and after subtracting this equation, second one from this equation, after subtracting these both equations, what you will get is 16x plus 12y minus 16x plus 17y is equal to 7200 minus 1400. So they will cancel and I will have 29 y is equal to 5800, or y is equal to 5800 upon 29, that is equal to 200. So the number of girls who appeared, number of girls who appeared is equal to 200. Now, what do you have to actually find out in the question? Let's see it once. Find the number of students that appeared for the exams. I got the number of girls who appeared for the exam. Now I have to find out the number of boys. Let's pick up any one equation from the two. Okay, I'll pick up the easier one. So I'll go with this one. Okay, let's fill. So I'll use 4x plus 3y is equal to what it was, I think 1800, right? So 4x plus 3 into 200 is equal to 1800. 4x is equal to this 1800 minus 600 will be 1200, or x will be equal to 300. So the number of, this is number of girls who appeared for the exam. This is number of boys who appeared for the exam. So total number of students who appeared was 200 plus 300, that is equal to 500 students, and this is your answer. I hope you are clear with this question, right? It was a bit lengthy, but there were only the calculations. If you understand the concept of the question, it will be very easy for you to solve. So this option D is the correct answer for this question. I hope you are clear with this. All right, then let's move to the next question, number 58. It says if x plus 6y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 2, where x is greater than 0, then what is the value of this expression? Okay, I think it's easy, right? What you are given in the question? You are given x plus 6y is equal to 8 and x into y is equal to 2. What formula we'll be using in this question? It is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So let's go with the solution part. Okay, so you are, first of all, you are given that x into y is equal to 2, which means y is equal to 2 upon x. Correct? Now, see, x plus 6y is equal to 8. I'll be filling in this value, this expression. Let's do. So this gives you x plus 6 into 2 upon x is equal to 8. This one will give me x plus 12 upon x is equal to 8. See, now in the question, you have to find out the cube of these numbers. I'll have to use this formula. So what shall I do now? I'll be cubing both sides. X plus 12 upon x whole cube is equal to 8 cube. How? I'm cubing both sides. Okay, correct? So now what you'll get, I'll be cubing it. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Right? This is equal to 512, which is cube of 8. I hope you're clear, right? So now I'll leave this one as such. What is the 12 upon x whole cube? Just a minute. So this is plus, now this x and this x will cancel. 3 into 12 will give you 36, right? So 36 into x plus 12 upon x is equal to 512. This is 3. So x cube plus 12 upon x cube plus, now this, what was this equal to? This was 8, right? X plus this value was equal to 8. So I'll fill the 8 over here. So this is 36 into 8 is equal to 512. X cube plus 12 upon x whole cube is equal to, this is 512 minus 288. See, what is this? This 12x, this can be written as 2 into 6 upon x whole cube, right, is equal to 512 minus 288 will give you 224, right? This can be written as x cube plus this 2 upon x. This was equal to y. I'll fill. So this is equal to 6y whole cube is equal to 224. So x cube plus 6 cube is 216. 216 y cube is equal to 224. So This is your answer. X cube plus 216 y cube is equal to 224. This is equal to 224. Option C is the correct answer for this question. I hope you're clear, right? Let's move to the next question, number 59. In triangle ABC, points P, Q, R are taken on AB, BC, and ACA respectively, such that BQ is equal to PQ and QC is equal to QR. Angle BAC is 75. What is PQR measured in degree? Let's make a figure first of all for this. Okay, here's a triangle, right? This is the triangle A, B, and C. Here is the point P, here is the point R, here's the point Q, right? Something like this. Now you are given such that BQ and PQ, so they are equal. These two lines are equal. QC and QR, they are equal, right? Also, you are given that BAC, that means this angle is equal to 75 degree. You have to find out what will be the angle PQR. So this is the angle that you have to find out in the question. Write down which things are given in the question. We are given angle BAC is equal to 75 degree and BQ is equal to PQ and CQ is equal to QR. Concept used in this question. First of all, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? Also, sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree, right? These things are given. So now I'm assuming let this angle be X, then this angle is also X. If I'm assuming this angle Y, this angle is also Y. I hope you know the angles opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So let's go with the solution part. Angle ABC is equal to X, let it be. And if this is X, see this is also X. Also angle ACB, I'm assuming it to be Y. Okay. Then, so angle ABC is equal to angle PBQ is equal to angle QPB is equal to X. Why? Because BQ and PQ are equal. Also, angle ACB is equal to RCQ is equal to QRC is equal to Y because QC and QR are equal. Right now, let's take the bigger triangle ABC. If I'm talking about the bigger triangle ABC, then the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. What was angle ABC? It was X and this angle was ACB was Y and BAC it's given to us as 75 degrees. So this is equal to 180. X plus Y is equal to 180 minus 75, that is equal to 105 degrees. Okay. So now for triangle BPQ, if I'm taking, and triangle CRQ. Which are these two triangles? See, I'm talking about this triangle and this triangle. I'm taking these two triangles. Now I will take their angles and their sum. Okay, I'll just fill in the values. So now in the first triangle BPQ, you are having which angles? You are having angle PBQ plus angle QPB plus angle PQB. If you are a bit doubtful, see over here. Okay, these angles, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, in the second triangle, this angle plus this is equal to 180 degrees. So I'm just writing down their names. Plus angle RCQ plus angle QRC plus angle RQC is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, this is X plus X plus angle PQB plus y plus angle RQC is equal to 360 degrees. This becomes 2x plus 2y plus angle PQB plus angle RQC is equal to 360 degrees. So this makes angle PQB plus angle QC is equal to 360 minus 2 into x plus y. What is x plus y? It was 105. So this is equal to 2 minus 2 into 105, which is equal to 360 minus 210 degrees. That is equal to 150 degrees. Okay. Also, you are having one more thing. What is that? Angle PQB plus angle RQC plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Why is it so? See, these are the three angles. Angle PQB plus angle PQR plus angle RQC. These three angles, they lie on a straight line. So the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. Correct? So we just solved that angle PQB plus RQC. This is equal to 150 degrees plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore, this is our answer. This is what we were looking for. What is the angle of measure of angle PQR? This is equal to 30 degree. So option C is the correct answer for this question. I hope you got this question very clearly. Still, students, I would like to say if you're having any doubt in any of the questions other than this video, do join our Telegram link given in the description box for the live doubt system. All right, so next question is question number 60. A can finish a piece of work in 16 days. B can finish it in 12 days. They worked together for 4 days and then A left. B finished the remaining work for how many total number of days B worked to finish the work completely? What you are given? You are given that A can finish one work in 16 days and B can finish that work in 12 days. Okay. So let's go with the solution of the problem. See, in this question, first of all, this is A complete the work in 16 days. You can say A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16. Similarly, B's 1 day work will be 1 by 12. Right? See, A and B, they both work for 4 days. So if A's 1 day work is 1 by 16, A's 4 days work will be 4 into 1 by 16, that is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, B's 4 day work will be equal to 4 into 1 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 3. This is A's 4 day work and B's 4 day work. So total 4 day work of A and B. Total 4 days work of A and B is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. This is equal to 7 by 12. Right? And how much work remains? Remaining work 1 minus 7 by 12, which will be equal to 5 by 12. Right? Now the time taken, what is the question? Let's see it once. How many total number of days B finished the remaining work? How many days, total number of days did B work to finish the work completely? So now you have to find out time taken by B to finish the work is equal to 5 by 12 divided by his 1 day work. So which is equal to 5 days. So total day number of days B worked for 4 days initially and 5 days this one. right? So total he worked for how much? He worked for 9 days, and this is our answer. B's work, see, how many total number of days B worked to finish the work completely? Total number of days B worked was for 9. Okay. So this option D is the correct answer. Hope you're clear. Right. Let's move to the next question, number 61. So this is a trigonometric question. This is having sine 23 cos 60 plus into cot 67 plus secant 52 sine 38 cos 23 sine 67 cosecant 52 um, cos 38 divided by cosecant square 20 degree minus tan square 70 degree. You are noticing one thing. You must be seeing this, that the sum of these two angles, they are forming 90 degree, right? Correct? Yes, you got it correct. So now the given expression is this, and what formulas we'll be using? There are number of formulas we'll be using in this question. The very first one is sine square theta, trigonometric ratios. Sine square theta is plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The second one is this is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now we'll be having the trigonometric identities for complementary angles, which says 67 degree cos 67 degree is equal to, this can be written as sine 90 degree minus 67 degrees, which is equal to sine 23 degree. Okay. Similarly, sine 67 degree, this can be written as cos 90 minus 67 degree, which is equal to cos of 23 degrees. Correct. So now let's move to the solution part of the problem. So here's the solution. See, sine 23 cos 67. So I will write it, this cos 67 can be written as sine 23 only. So sine 23 into sine 23 degrees plus secant. Now, how can I write down secant as? I will write down secant as 1 upon cos 52 degrees into sine 38 degree plus cos 23 sine 67 can be written as cos 23 also, plus cosecant can be written as 1 upon sine 52 degree into cos 38 degree. Right. So now this can be written as sine square 23 degrees. So this is 52. Now this makes sine, plus sine 38. Cos 52 can be written as sine 38 only. I will write it as such. Sorry, I just forgot to write down this denominator part. So I will write down the denominator part in this section. Okay. I will say the whole divided by cosecant square, and this is cosecant square theta. Theta is 20 degree over here. So cosecant square 20 degree minus tan square 70 degree. Okay. All right. So this plus cos square 23 degrees, right? Plus cos 38 and sine 52 can be written as cos 38 degrees. Again, they will cancel, right? And what you will have is sine, this whole is, okay, this whole is divided by cosecant square, just a minute. This is divided by cosecant square 20 degree minus tan square 20 degree. Similarly, this cosecant square 20 degree will be changed to secant square 90 minus 20 degree minus tan square 70 degree. Right? So this sine square 23 plus cos square 23 will make it 1 plus 1 plus 1. Right? So here is 1, here is 1, and these two together will make a 1. This whole divided by secant square 70 degree minus tan square 70 degree, which makes it, secant square 70 degree minus tan square 90 degree is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So I will fill in the values over here. This will be 3 upon 1. That is equal to 3. So the value of the given expression is equal to 3. This is the answer for the problem. Let's see the options. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear. Let's move next question 62. LCM of two numbers is 56 times their HCF, with the sum of their HCF, LCF being 1710. If one of the two numbers is 240, then what is the another number? This is what you have to find out. So first of all, you are given that LCM is 56 times HCF. That's LCM is equal to 56 into HCF. Also, you are given that the sum of HCF and LCM is 1710. HCF plus LCM is 1710. This is given to us in the question. And we'll be using the formula, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of the two numbers, right? Okay, so now you let the HCF be X. If HCF is equal to X, then according to question, X, this is equal to 56, right? So you'll say X plus, I'll rewrite, HCF plus LCM is equal to 1710, correct? So that is HCF I'm assuming as X, then this is LCM is 56 times of X is equal to 1710, which will give you 57X is equal to 1710, or X will be equal to 1710 upon 57, that is equal to 30, right? So now HCF, that is your X was HCF and this came out to be 30. What will be LCM? It was 56 times X, or 56 into 30, or this is equal to 1680. Okay. And what else you are given? One of the two numbers is 240. Let's write. One number is equal to 240. Another number is equal to A. Let's assume. So according to question, product of HCF and LCM, sorry, this is not 30 degree, this is 30 only. I was continuing the last question. So, okay, 30 into 100, 1680. This is the product of HCF and LCM. This is equal to 240 multiplied by A. So what will come in the place of A? This is 30 into 1680 upon 240 is equal to A. A will evaluate to be 210. This is the answer for the problem. Let's see the options that are available. Option A is the correct answer for the problem. I hope you are clear with this. See, you have to use this formula. This formula is the key thing in this question. The formula is the product of HCF and LCM of the two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers itself. Let's move to the next question, number 63. So here is a bar graph which shows exports of car of type A and B in million rupees from 2014 to 2018. So you have to answer the question. What is the question? See, what is the ratio of the total exports of cars of type A in 2014 and 17 to the total exports of the car of type B in 2015 and 16? So in this question, you are given the bar graph. You have to, first of all, find the total exports of car of type A in 2014 and 17. So let's see. Total exports for type A in 2014 and 17 is equal to 200 plus 175, which is equal to 375. Similarly, total exports for type B in 2015 and 16, this is equal to 250. See, this is for the year 215. This is 250 plus 200. This is equal to 450. Now you have to find out the ratio. What ratio you have to find out of type A and type B in these subsequent years? So required ratio is equal to 375 upon 450, that is equal to 5 upon 6, or this is equal to 5 is to 6. So they will cancel at the table of 25, and then subsequently it will be keep on cancelling, and you will get a ratio of 5 is to 6. So the ratio of total exports of cars of type A in 2014 and 17 to the total exports of car of type B in 2015 and 16 is 5 is to 6. So let's see the options available. It's option A is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear. Let's move next question 64. A certain sum is deposited for 4 years at the rate of 10% per annum on compound interest compounded annually. The difference between the rate at the end of 2 years and 4 years is 5082. You have to find the initial principal, or you have to find the sum which was deposited. Okay. See, in this question, I'll be following a shortcut trick, because these type of tricks they really help you to solve the problem in just seconds. Okay, so we'll be having a shortcut trick for this question, and what is that? See, the successive, if you are having a person and B person, the successive interest of A person and B person, right? This is given by A plus P plus AP upon 100%. Okay. So first of all, if I'm calculating for 2 years, so you will say successive interest for 2 years. This is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 upon 100%. Why? The A and B both are 10 in these cases. Initially, first year's interest was 10% only, so it is 10. Okay. First year's interest was 10. So I'll be taking the A as 10 only. Right? This comes out to be 21%. Then successive interest for 3 years. This is equal to 21 plus 10 plus 21 into 10 upon 100%, which gives me 33.1%. Right? And for 4 years will be, you'll have 33.1 plus 10 plus 33.1 into 10 upon 100%, which will be 46.41%. Right? So now the difference of interest between 4 and 2 years is equal to 46.41 minus 21, which is equal to 25.41%. Right? And this 25.41 is percent is equivalent to 5082. So let the sum was x, then according to question, this 25.41% of x is equal to 5082. 2541 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 into x is equal to 5082, which gives you x is equal to 5082 into 100 into 100 whole divided by 2541, which gives you 20,000. Right? So the sum that was initially there was 20,000 rupees. Let's check. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear with this shortcut trick. Right? See, for the successive years, the interest can easily be calculated using this formula. These type of shortcuts are really helpful for you in the exams, because they save a lot of time. Otherwise, if you are going with the direct method, like applying the compound interest formula, see, I hope you remember that compound interest formula. The amount was given by principal into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power time, that is n. right? So from here you have to calculate the amount, then you have to calculate the interest, and then so on. The procedure, the calculations involved will be too lengthier, and this is a shortcut method. I think this is a better one for your exams. So I hope you're clear. Let's move next question. 65. An equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center O. So first of all, let's make a circle. Right, here's a circle, and this is an equilateral triangle ABC. Right, so my lines are not straight, but still ABC is an equilateral triangle, and this is inscribed in a circle with center O. So here is the center O. D is a point on the minor arc BC, so D is a point, let it be this point, such that CBD, this angle, is equal to 40 degree. This one, this angle is equal to 40 degree. CBD, this is D point. CBD is equal to 40 degree. You have to find out what is angle BCD. This angle you have to find out. So let's write down first of all what things are given. You are given that ABC is an equilateral triangle with center O, right? Also, you are given that CBD is equal to 40 degree. Let's see the concept used in this question. See the sum of, it says the sum of opposite angles. This is forming a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. And right, therefore we also know the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180. Okay. Also, you know, sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is the thing, you know. Right, now let's move towards the solution part. First of all, if I'm taking the triangle ABC, then let's move with the solution in triangle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to ACB is equal to BAC, each equal to 60 degree. You know, this is an equilateral triangle. So what do you have over here? This is 60, this is 60, and even this is 60. Correct? Now, if I'm taking the cyclic quadrilateral, then angle. Now, also BAC plus BDC is equal to 180 degree. All right, see these two angles. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. You know this property, sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. So from here, you have, you know, this BAC is equal to 60 degree and BDC, let's calculate, it will be 120. Correct? Now, you know, let's take this triangle now. Which one? I'll be taking this triangle, BCD. In triangle BCD, angle CBD plus angle BDC plus angle BCD is equal to 180. This was 40 degree, it was given. We just saw this BDC is 120 and BCD we have to calculate. So what will be angle BCD? This will be equal to 180 minus 120 minus 140. This is equal to 20 degree, which is your answer. Let's see the options. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear. So what concepts we used in the question? We used the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. Also the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is known to everybody, I think, right? Okay, so next is question number 66. The lengths of three sides of a right angle triangle are this, this, and this, respectively. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle in centimeter is. See, you are given in the question. First of all, let's write three sides you are given. What are the three sides? X minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3 centimeters. And what formula? See, if this is a right angle triangle, then you know this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. So formula is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So let's go with the solution part of the problem now. See, you know hypotenuse is the longest side, therefore x plus 3 is the longest side, right? Therefore, this is the hypotenuse, right? Hence, what you have, these are the two rest of the sides. So these two sides either will be a perpendicular and one will be a base. So now, according to question, according to Pythagoras theorem, right? Please saying x minus 1 square plus x plus 1 square is equal to x plus 3 square. Let's open this up, right? What you will have, this is x square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x. So this x square and this x square will cancel, 2x and 2x will cancel, and you will be left with x square. This minus 6x will be here, and here will be minus 7. So x square minus 6x minus 7. You have to split the middle term such that the product of the two numbers is minus 7 and the sum of the two numbers is minus 6. What the two numbers will be? X square minus 6x plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. You will have x minus 7 plus 1 x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 1 x minus 7 is equal to 0. So that means x can be minus 1 or 7. You can't have the value for the x as negative. So I will ignore that value. What will be the value of x? It will be 7. So now you have to, what you have to find out in the question? The hypotenuse. You have to find out, we saw the hypotenuse as the longest side, and the hypotenuse was x plus 3. So this is equal to 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10 centimeter, which is your answer to the problem. Let's check the options. So option D is the correct answer, right? I hope you're clear with this question. Let's move to the next question. This question is having a histogram. The given histogram represents the marks of students in mathematics test of certain class. The total number of students is 350. You have to study and answer the question that follows. So just look at the graph. Here are the marks given for the graph, and here is the number of students. Okay, the number of students are given over here. In this question, you have to find out what is the ratio of the total number of students who scored 140 marks and above to the total number of students who scored between 60 to 120. Okay, so let's go. First of all, what you are given, total number of students is equal to 350. Total number of students is equal to 350. And then solution. Let's go with the solution. The total number of students who scored 140 marks and above. What are those? Total number of students who scored 140 and above. They are how much? See, 140 and above. So they are 55 plus 40 plus 50. That's right. 55 plus 40 plus 15, which is equal to 110. Total number of students who scored between 60 to 120. Total number of students who scored between 60 to 120. How many are those? See, yes. See, this is 60, right? So this is 32 plus this 18. Sorry, not 18. Above here. These are above. So I'll take 32 plus 45 plus 60. Right? So this is 32 plus 45 plus 60, which is equal to 137. Now the required ratio is 110 is to 137. So this is my answer. 110 to 137 is to 137. Option C is the correct answer for the question. I hope you are clear, right? Next is question number 68. The ratio of monthly income of A and B is 11 is to 13, and the ratio of their expenditures is 9 is to 11. If both of them manage to save 4,000 per month, you have to find the difference in their income in rupees. Let's write down. You are given ratio of monthly income of A and B is equal to 11 is to 13. Also, ratio of their expenditures of A and B is equal to 9 is to 11. Now, both of them save 4,000 per month. Both of them save rupees 4,000 per month. Let's go with the solution part now. So in this, first of all, let the monthly income of A, let monthly income of A is equal to 11x and B is equal to 13x. Right? So the monthly expenditure of A, also let monthly expenditure of A is equal to 9y and B is equal to 11y. Y. Right. According to question, 11x minus 9y, that means income minus expenditure is equal to 4,000. Also 13x minus 11y is equal to 4,000. So you have two equations in two variables. We will solve them simultaneously. In the first equation, I will be multiplying this equation with 11 and I'll multiply this equation with 9. Okay, let's go. So if I'm multiplying this with 11, this will be 121x minus 99y is equal to 4,400. Sorry, 4,400, right? 1,000. Yes, is 4,000. So it will be 1,000 only. Next is the 13. If I'll be multiplying the 13 with 9, you will have minus 117x. This will be 99y is equal to 36,000. So now I'll be doing subtraction between them. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtracting 1 and 2. You will have 121x minus 99y minus 117x plus 99y is equal to 44,000 minus 36,000, and you will they will cancel, and 121 minus this 117 will give you 4x. 44,000 minus 36,000 will give you 8,000, which gives you x is equal to 2,000. All right. So what in the question you have to find out? The difference in their incomes. Their income we assumed as 11x and 13x. So let's find out their incomes. A's income is equal to 11x, that is equal to 11 into 2000, which is equal to 22,000 rupees, and B's income is equal to 13 into x, which is equal to 13 into 2000, which is equal to 36,000, sorry, 26,000 rupees. Right? Difference between incomes is equal to 26,000 minus 22,000, which is equal to 4,000 rupees. Right? I hope you're clear with this. Correct? So let's check the options. Option A is the correct answer for the question. Right? Let's move to the next question, 69. It says a solid cube of side 8 centimeter is dropped into a rectangular container of length 16 centimeter, breadth 8 centimeter, height 15 centimeter, which is partly filled with water. If the cube is completely submerged, then the rise of level in centimeter is. Let's write down first of all the things that are given. Um, each side of cube is 8 centimeter and the rectangular container is having the dimensions rectangular container length is equal to 16, breadth is 8 and height is 15 centimeter. Right? Formulas, which is the most important thing in this question, is volume of cube is equal to side cube or h cube. Also, volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Let's go with the solution part of the question now. So, you are given that the cube was submerged in the container and the water rose, right? It rose a bit of it. So, what is the height of the in which the water rose? That means volume of cube is equal to volume of rectangular container, right? The length will not change. Of course, it will be 16 only. Breadth will not change. It will remain 8 centimeter only. But height will increase. So height is equal to height of water level rise. So let height of water level rise is equal to 8 x centimeter. Then according to this, volume of cube was side cube, that is 8 cube. Volume of rectangular, this container is length into breadth into height. So 16 into 8 into x. This will be 8 into 8 into 8 whole divided by 16 into 8 divided by is equal to x. So they will cancel, and you will have 4. So 4 centimeter is the height of the level of water which will increase, and option B is the correct answer for the problem. I hope you are clear with this. Right? Next is question number 70. The number of cars passing the road near a colony from 6 a.m. to 12 noon has been shown in the following histogram. What is the ratio of number of cars passed between 6 a.m. to and 8 a.m. to the number of cars passed between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.? So this is the histogram. This is time of the day, and here is the number of cars. Okay. So this one, x-axis represents time and this represents the number of cars. Right. So first of all, you are given the number of cars passing from passing the road near a colony from 6 to 12 noon has been shown. All these things are shown in the histogram. Let's directly move to the solution part of the problem. So the number of cars which are passing between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Number of cars passed between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. See, this is 6 a.m. and this is 8 a.m. So this is 70 plus 105. So this is 8, right? Till there, this is 70 plus 105, which is equal to 175, right? Similarly, the number of cars passed between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. So this is, see, this is 115 and 95. See, this is 9 from 9 and 10, right? So this is equal to 115 plus 95, that is equal to 210. So now the required ratio, it's easy. You are done with 90% of the question now. Required ratio is equal to 175 is to 210, which will be 5 is to 6. And this is your answer. Option D is the answer for this question. Hope you are clear. Then let's move to the question number 71. An item costs rupees 400 during a festival sale. The company offers a sale discount that offers X% off on its regular price. Along with the discount coupon of 10%, the price of the item after using both the sale discount and the discount coupon is 216. What is the value of X? Okay, so let's write down first of all. You are given cost price of the item is equal to 400 and selling price is equal to 216 rupees, right? Sale discount is X% and coupon discount 10%, right? Formula we'll be using in this question because these are the main things. Successive discount of A% and B% is given by A plus B minus A upon B upon 100%. And discount percent is given by discount upon SP into 100. This is the discount percentage. Also, SP means selling price. Okay, let's move with the solution now. Okay, so the solution to the problem here, the discount is obviously the selling this is the cost price and this is the selling price, so the discount was 184, right? Total discount is 184 upon 400 into 100, that is equal to 46%. Okay, so now if I'm using this formula, you will have X plus 10 minus X into 10 upon 100 percent is equal to 46%, and here you will have X plus 10 minus X upon 10 is equal to 46. This will give you around 9X minus upon 10, and this will be 36. So X will be equal to 40 now, right? So they will cancel, right? They will cancel at 4. X will be equal to 40. So this is the value of X. Let's see the options. Option B is the correct answer for the problem. Hope you're clear, right? Next, okay, let's move to the next question, number 72. X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. You have to find out x cube plus y cube minus 9xy plus 9. So you are given, only thing this is given to you is x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Formula, see, you are having the cubes over here. So the formula will be a plus b whole cube is given by a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's go with the solution. So in this question, x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, which gives you x plus y is equal to minus 3. Cubing both sides. So you will have x plus y whole cube is equal to minus 3 whole cube, which gives you x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to minus 27. X cube plus y cube, x plus y, it was equal to minus 3. I will be filling the value. So minus 3 is equal to minus 27. So this will be x cube plus y cube minus 9xy is equal to minus 27. But in the question, you have to find out x cube plus y cube minus 9xy plus 9. So I have to add 9 on both sides. 9 on both sides. This will give you x cube plus y cube minus 9xy plus 9 minus 27 plus 9. This will be equal to minus 18. And here is your answer, right? Let's check the options. Option B is the correct answer for the problem. I hope you are clear, right? Okay, next is question number 73. AB is diameter of a circle with center O. A tangent is drawn at point A. C is the point on the circle such that BC produced meets the tangent at P. If APC is 62 degrees, you have to find out the minor arc AC is equal to. See, first of all, let's see, you are given two things mainly. AB, you are given AB is diameter and center is O. Also, APC is equal to 62 degree, right? Let's make the figure first of all. This is a circle, right? Here's the diameter of the circle, this one, and this is O, B, A, right? And here is a what you are given L. C is a point on the circle such that BC produced meets a tangent at P. So C is, let it be C is this point such that BC when I'm producing, so this is C, right? This is BC. When I'm producing this BC, this meets at point P. So here is point P. And this angle is given to you as 62 degrees. This I'm taking this as this is the center and this is the line like this. I'm making it a triangle. See, these two lines are equal. Rather, this is also equal. Why? They are all the radius of the circle, right? So concepts we'll be using here. First is radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent line. Okay. Also, some of some of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Also, the angle subtended. This is important. Angle subtended by diameter at the circumference is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So let's move with the solution part now. Let's start. So here you are given that AB is the diameter which is perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. AB is the diameter AB is perpendicular to the tangent AP. Correct. Therefore, angle BAP is equal to 90 degree. Reason is this angle subtended by diameter on the circumference is equal to 90 degree. Also you are given, so therefore angle, this angle, also angle ACB, this angle is equal to 90 degree. Sorry, angle subs, this one is angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. This is the reason for this. And angle BAP is equal to 90 degree. The reason is angle subtended by the radius on the tangent is 90 degree. Okay. So I'm repeating this thing. This angle BAP, this angle is equal to 90 degrees. Reason is always radius subtends a 90-degree angle on the tangent of the circle. Also, this angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because diameter always subtends a 90-degree angle on the circumference of the circle. Correct? Therefore, this angle is equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Let's write it down. Therefore, angle ACP is equal to 180 minus 90. Why? They are forming a linear pair. Okay. So this is equal to 90 degree only. Now I'm taking the triangle APC. This one. I'm taking the triangle APC. In triangle APC, angle PAC plus 90 degree plus 62 degree is equal to 180 degree, which gives you angle PAC is equal to 28 degrees. Okay, now let's see this. I'm taking this triangle OAC. In this triangle, angle OAC is equal to 90 minus 28, which is equal to 62 degree. See why 90 minus 28? We just solved that this angle is equal to 28 and the whole angle was 90. So this angle will be 90 minus 28, which is equal to 62 degree only, right? Therefore, let's move further. So now angle OAC is equal to angle OCA, which is equal to 62 degree. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. So now you have to find out the length of the minor arc. Length of minor arc AC is equal to angle AOC. This for this angle AC. See, for this angle, the angle at the center is angle AOC. Okay. This is in correspondence to angle AOC at the center. Okay. So in triangle AOC, angle AOC plus 62 is equal to 180 degrees, right? Which gives you AOC is equal to 56 degrees. And this is measure of angle at the center by the minor arc AC is equal to 56 degrees, right? So let's see here in the question, the measure of angle here should be, because according to all the options that are available, we are looking for the angle. Find the measure of the angle of the minor arc AC. So this option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer for the question. I hope you're clear with this. So let's start with question number 74. It says monthly expenditure of a family on different heads is shown in the following pie chart. See, you use pie charts when you have to represent part of a whole. These are the fractions which are showing. This one is showing the rental income. Sorry, expenditure. This one is showing the education for children. This one is food. Next is transport. then savings, and this is a miscellaneous expenses, right? So now you have to tell the amount spent on children's education, transport, and rent. So these I was telling you, these are the parts of the whole income he's spending. He's spending 60%, 60 degree, not percent over here, 60 degree of the whole three. See, a pie chart represents a whole of 360 degree. Out of this 360 degree, the 60 degree part, that means 60 upon 360 degree, that is equal to 1 by 6 part is spent on rent. Then on education, this one represents education, 70 upon 360, that is equal to 7 upon 36 part is spent on education, and similarly for the rest of the things, right? In the question, you are asked the amount spent on children's education, transport, and rent, what it is. So first of all, the total angle, we have to see the angle, total angle of expenditure on education, then transport, and rent. This is equal to, see, on education, it was spending 70. So this is equal to 70 degree. And on transport, it was, this is transport. On transport, it was spending 50 degree. And on rent, it is spending, this is rent, rental income. This is spending 60 degree. This becomes a whole of 180 degree, right? Now you have to tell what percentage of the total earnings. You know, the total earnings represents 360 degree, right? We just discussed this. Also, you can check if you will add all the degrees over here, you will get a total of 360 degree. So now the percentage required is equal to 180 degree upon the total, that is 360 degree. If you have to find out the percentage, you have to multiply with 100. So they will cancel at 200 upon 2 gives you 50 percent, right? So this is the correct answer, 50%. The total amount spent on children's education, transport, and rent is 50% of his total income. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Hope you're clear. Let's move next question, 75. So you have to find the value of the expression, this 372 divided by 56 multiplied by 7 minus 5 plus 2. You have to use the BODMAS rule, right? It says the brackets, first of all, you solve the brackets, then of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let's go with this simple algebraic expression that you have to solve. So a very easy question. 372 divided by 56 multiplied by 7 minus 5 plus 2. If you are dividing, first of all, this will go with the division. You will get 93 upon 14. This whole multiplied by 7 minus 5 plus 2. Then according to BODMAS, next you are having the multiplication. So you'll be solving the multiplication thing. This will cancel at 2. You'll have 93 upon 2 minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Then addition will come. This is 93 upon 2 plus 2 minus 5. So you will have it 93 plus 4 upon 2 minus 5. This will be 97 upon 2 minus 5. So this is 97 minus 10 upon 2, which will be 87 upon 2, or this will be 43 1 by 2 as your answer. So let's see the options. Option B is the correct answer for this question. I hope you're clear, right? Let's move to the next question, 76. So you have to select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. It is be hard up. And the given options are find it very difficult to wake up early, have very little money, unable to calculate, or have difficulty in climbing stairs. So we are on to some good English questions now, right? The correct answer to this question, be hard up, is have very little money. This option B is the correct answer. Let's see it with an example. Be hard up when you're having very little money. That is when you say be hard up. For example, we're a bit hard up at the moment, so we are not thinking about holidays. We are a bit hard up at the moment, hard up at the moment, so we are not planning any holidays. Right? I hope you got the answer. So this is the correct one, having very little money. Let's move with the next question, number 77. The following sentence have been divided into parts. One of them may contain an error. You have to select the part that contains the error from the given options. If you don't find any error, then you have to mark no error in your answer. Let's see. It says, it was the very well directed film and we enjoyed it. So in this, the given sentence is grammatically incorrect. What is the error? It is this part. The very well directed film. This is the erroneous part in this. This is an incorrect one. So it should be, it was a very well directed film and we enjoyed it. So this the should be replaced by a. This is an grammatically incorrect sentence here. A very well directed film should be used instead of the very well directed film. The rule of usage of a or an is that if the word following a vowel sound, then we use obviously an, right? So if you are having a consonant, we will use a. So now it was a very well directed film and we enjoyed it. So this is the incorrect part of this sentence. Option C is the answer. The should have been replaced by O. I hope you got this. All right. Next is question number 78. The following sequence, a sentence has been split in 4 segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. Let's see. Every curious child want to rip open a toy. So the correct answer, which is the incorrect one. See, the given sentence is grammatically incorrect. Here it should be wants to. Every curious child wants to rip open a toy. See, we know that after each, everyone, someone, nobody, one, a singular verb whenever you are having a singular noun or singular adjective, uh, so that after that you use each and like this. So, for example, you say each student has come. Right here, you have to use wants. Why? It's a singular one. There is one child we are talking about. Here is we are talking about one child, so the verb will be accompanied by S. Okay. So this is the correct one. Here should be, this is the erroneous part. Option B is the erroneous part. It should have been wants to. So question number 79, you have to select the most appropriate synonym of the given word, a word. The given options are face, permit, confront, or prevent. We'll be looking at the meaning of each and every word one by one, then we will see the most appropriate option. A word means to prevent something unpleasant. To prevent something unpleasant. Face, of course, you know, like to the front part of your, like, see, when you're facing something from face to face, or literally, if I'm talking, this is the front part of my head. Simply front part of your head or my head, whatever. Then permit, to allow somebody to do something. To allow somebody to do something, right? Or to allow something. Then confront means to think. To think about, or to make somebody think about something that is difficult or unpleasant. Something unpleasant. Then prevent means to stop something from happening. To stop something from happening. Right? So what is the correct synonym for the word avert? It is the word prevent. Right? To when you're preventing something from happening, that is known as avert. Okay, or prevent also. Both are the synonyms. So the correct answer for this question is option D. I hope you're clear. All right, then next question number 80. Question number 80, select the option that expresses the given sentence in direct speech. He asked me when I had booked the flight tickets. Options are, he said to me, when did you book the flight tickets? Or he said to me, when are you booking the flight tickets? Or he said to me, when do you book the flight tickets? Or he said to me, when you had booked the flight tickets. If before moving on to the answer for this question, see this given sentence, this is in indirect speech, and you have to convert this one into direct speech. Okay, the process of this conversion will be like said will be converted into, sorry, this asked will be converted into said. Okay, first thing. Now the commas, this when I had, now commas and inverted commas, this comma and this inverted comma in all the options, this will be added. Had booked will be changed to did, and you know you have the first form with did, so it will be did book. Then I will be changed to you, right? I'll be changed to you. And we know that in direct to indirect transformation, second person pronouns are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. So what will be the correct option? He said to me, when did you book the flight tickets? Okay, it will be did, because it was he asked me when I had booked the flight tickets. It will be when did you book the flight tickets. So this is the correct option. Option A is the answer for this question. Hope you're clear, right? Next is question number 81. Select the most appropriate option that can substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, then select no substitution required. Let's read. It says the authorities are assured to the people, the authorities are assured the people that they will look into the matter. Right, so what is this sentence? Of course it seems to be like when I was reading it, it was very much obvious that this is grammatically incorrect. So what changes should be there? Here have assured should be like it should be have assured instead of are assured. The authorities have assured the people that they will look into the matter. So this sentence is in the active voice, hence the use of are assured is completely out of context. Okay, the present perfect tense is used to discuss something that has happened in a non-specific time before now. So here this in this question, it will be like the authorities have assured the people that they will look into the matter. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Right? Hope you're clear. Next question number 82. The following sentence has been divided in parts. One of them may contain a grammatical error. You have to select the part that contains the error from the given options. If you don't find any error, then you can select no error. Let's read the sentence. If the economy fails this year, it reflects badly on the government. See, when I was reading it, it was very much obvious that this sentence is grammatically incorrect. What it should be, here this year it will reflect badly should be used instead of this year it reflect badly, right? So This is the erroneous part. What is the error? This year it reflect badly should be replaced by this year it will reflect badly on the government. So the given this given sentence is an example of conditional sentence. Okay. So what will be the answer? If the economy fails this year, it will reflect badly on the government, and option C is the correct answer. This is the erroneous part. This year it reflect badly. It should have been this year it will reflect badly. Right? For more details, please refer to the PDF on our website. Next is question number 83. The following sentence has been split into segments, same thing, and you have to find the erroneous part. No error if you don't find any error. Let's read it. It says, no one were present when I entered the hall. So what do you think is wrong? Yes. See, when I was reading it, I think you were also sure that this sentence is grammatically incorrect. What is the erroneous part in this sentence? See, no one were. No, this is incorrect. It should have been no one was present when I entered the hall. Right? See, this no one, we are talking about a single person over here, and was singular, was will be used because we are talking about a single identity over here. It too should not be no one were, it should be no one was. Okay, right? So I think you got your answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 84. Now, in this question, you have to select the option that can be used as a one-word substitute for the given group of words. The study of earthquakes. Is it geography, seismology, topography, or geology? The most appropriate answer for this one, see, you have to do the study of the earthquakes. Is it whether geography? Let's see the meaning of the geography. It is a study of world's surface. Study of world's surface, like its physical qualities, climate, population, everything. Okay. Then seismology. What do you mean by the seismology? It is the actually the scientific study of movement of Earth. Okay. So this is study of movement of Earth's surface. Or simple words, you can say earthquakes. So I think you got your answer now, right? Still, let's discuss about the topography. Topography means the physical characteristics of an area. Right? And geology is the study of rocks. Okay, so I think you got your answer. Option B, seismology, is the correct answer for this question. Next, question number 85. We have to select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. The increasing concerns about the climatic change point to the need of enhanced efforts towards a dash sustained growth. Which is the correct option? To achieved, or achieving. Let's see, let's read out the most appropriate one. So I'll be filling in each blank one by one. Let's see. The increasing concerns about the climate change point to the need for enhanced efforts to achieve sustained growth, achieve sustained growth, achieved sustained growth, or towards achieving sustained growth. See, when I was reading, I hope it is very much clear like what the answer should be. It should be achieving. The increasing concerns about the climate change point to the need for enhanced effort towards achieving sustained growth. So this option D should be your answer. Let's see. In achieving sustained growth. See, in this sentence, towards is a preposition. And now, if you want to follow preposition by a word, we have to add the ing to it. Right? So option this 4 or option D is your correct answer. Next, question number 86. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Is it circuit? Are the spellings correct? Genuine. Are they correct? Manners or tuition? Uh, I think yes. Circuit is correctly spelled. Genuine is correctly spelled. Manners is correctly spelled. But tuition is incorrectly spelled. So what are the right uh, spellings for the word tuition? Is Tuition. So one I was missing at this place, right? So among the given options, tuition option D is the incorrect option. It means teaching, especially to a small group of people. Teaching to a small group of children, of people, or whatever. So this option D is the correct answer. Next, question number 87. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. The word is raise, and the options are comfort, ease, yoon, build. And you have to check out which is the correct option for these. So let's see the meaning of each and every word. You have to find out the antonym, that is the opposite word for the word raise. What do you mean by raise? Raise means to completely destroy a building. To completely destroy a building. Then comfort means the state of having the state of having everything your body needs. Then you are said you are in a comfortable position. Ease, lack of difficulty. Then rue means to damage something very badly. Something very badly. And build means to make something by putting pieces together. Right? So I think you can get the easy. What is the antonym for the given word? Raise means to completely destroy something. It is build when you are making something by putting the pieces together. They are the antonyms. So option D, build, is the correct answer for the question. Hope you are clear. Let's move. Next question is 88. You have to select the most appropriate synonym for the given word. And the given word is retaliate. And the given options are facilitate, rotate, clap, or react. Which of these is the correct answer in this question? Let's see the meaning of each and every word so that we can be sure of our answer. The given word is retaliate. It means to react to something unpleasant. To react to something unpleasant. That somebody does to you by doing something unpleasant in return. Okay, so that is retaliate, to react to something unpleasant that somebody has done to you by doing something unpleasant in return. By doing unpleasant in return. And the word facilitate means to make something possible, or you can say to make something, to make something possible or easier. You can say that's better. Okay, rotate means to turn circles around a point, right? And what do you mean by clap? You know, clapping, you know, well, when you're hitting both of your hands many times together. React to do something out of, to do something in response to something. To do something in response. And you have to find out the synonym for the word retaliate. That means to react to something unpleasant by doing something unpleasant in return. The correct synonym for the word is option D, react. Right? Hope you're clear. All right, then let's move next question 89. Select the option that can be used as a one word substitute for the given group of words to walk aimlessly, and the options are amble, sprint, crawl, or slither. So let's see the meaning of each of the words one by one. See the very first one, amble. It means to walk a slow, relaxed speed. To walk. Slow, relaxed speed. Sprint means run a short distance as fast as you can. Crawl, babies are crawling. Move slowly with your body to the ground, along with ground. And slither means to move by sliding from side to side along the ground like a snake, right? So you have to find out the one word substitute for the given words. To walk aimlessly, the given word is amble. I think you are clear, because amble means, like, suppose we say we ambled down to the beach. We are just walking aimlessly, walking in a slow relaxed mood. So this option A is the correct answer. It is a one word substitution for the word, for the given words, to walk aimlessly. Next is question number 90. You have to select the option that expresses the given sentence in passive voice. She handles all tasks efficiently, and options are all the tasks are handled efficiently by her, all tasks were handled efficiently by her, all tasks have been handled efficiently by her, or all tasks are being handled efficiently by her. Which is the correct answer for the question? See, the given sentence is in active voice, and you have to convert it into passive voice. The structure of the given sentence is like subject, right? Subject is there plus first form of verb plus object. This is basically your active voice only, right? So in this sentence, you have to change she handles all tasks efficiently. See, the subject of the given sentence is she, object is all tasks. The subject will be put in place of the object, and the object will be placed in the place of subject. And handles will be converted into handled. It will go in the second form. Okay, so what will be, if I'm doing everything like this, what it will be? All tasks are will be this all tasks are will be introduced over here, handled efficiently by her. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear. Then let's move to the next question. Question number 91. You have to choose the antonym for the word modest, and the options are unhappy, conceited, sullen, or glum. See the meaning of modest. It means not talking too much, not talking too much about your own abilities. Unhappy, of course, when you are sad. Then conceited means excessively proud on yourself. Proud of oneself. So, okay, the next one is sullen means looking bad tempered. Or not wanting to speak to the people. Glum means sad and quiet. So antonym for the given word modest. Modest means not talking too much about your own abilities. The antonym for the word is conceited. means excessively proud of oneself. So option B is the correct answer. Hope you are clear. Next is question number 92. You have to select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom in the same breath. Options are try and hold your breath. B, practice breathing exercises. C, say two contradictory things at the same time. Or D, able to get a foul smell. See, you have to look at the meaning of the this idiom in the same breath. The most appropriate one is say two contradictory things at the same time. This one, option C. In the same breath, if you say two things in the same breath, you say two things that are so different that if one is true, the other must be false. Let's see an example. You say, he treats you badly, but badly, but in the same breath, you tell me how much you love him, right? So this option C is the correct answer for this question. Next question number 93, you have to select the synonym for the given word ostentatious, and the options are showy, tasteful, quick, or sudden. Let's look at the meaning of each and every word. Ostentatious means expensive or noticeable in a way that is intended to impress other people, like a very ostentatious gold jewelry, right? Showy means have a striking appearance or style. Tasteful, what do you mean by tasteful? See, when you're something very attractive or a well chosen, you have a good taste, right? So you can say well chosen something. Quick means fast, when you do something really fast. Sudden means happening like instantaneously, quickly, when you're not expecting it, suddenly it happened, okay, without expecting. So you have to find out the correct synonym for the word ostentatious, which means expensive, right? It is showy, like something. When I'm saying ostentatious, expensive, when you are trying to show it, trying to make it noticeable, trying to show off of that something which is very expensive. So the correct synonym is option A, showy. I hope you are clear with this. So you have to select the option that expresses the given sentence in the active voice. All weapons were surrendered by them. And the options are they had surrendered all the weapons, they surrendered all weapons, they are surrendering all weapons, or they have surrendered all weapons. The given sentence, this is in passive voice, and you have to convert this one into the active voice, right? The subject of the given sentence is all weapons and the object is them. The subject will be placed in the will be put in the place of the object, and the object will be put in the place of the subject, and word surrendered will be changed to surrendered only. Okay, so what the sentence will become now? The correct sentence is they surrendered all weapons, right? So which is the correct option? Option B is the correct answer for the question. Hope you're clear. So let's start with question number 95. You have to select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute, then you can write down no substitution required. The given sentence is a tigress has given birth to a cub in Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, taking the big cat population to 78. And the given options are was birth, has give birth, is given births, or no substitution is required. See, this sentence is grammatically correct. In this sentence, a tigress is a singular subject. So here is a tigress has given, so has is also correct. Given birth to a cub in the Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, taking the big cat population to 78. Has is also correct, and in the given sentence, this is followed by a past participle, which is given. Given is the past participle of the word give, so this is an absolutely correct. Option D is the answer. No substitution is required in this question. I hope you are clear with this. Next question number 96. So in this question, you are given a comprehension and you have to read this comprehension, then answer the given question. In the following passage, some words have been deleted and you have to fill in those words now. The rise in the Irrawaddy dolphin one dash in Chilica can be attributed to the eviction of, like I'll be discussing two later. First of all, what will come in the place of one in this case? See, the title of the given passage can be Dolphin Boom in Odisha's Chilika Lake, right? Something like this it can be. So the most appropriate word for the given blank can be natives or inhabitants or population or clan. I think it can be population. The rise in the Irrawaddy dolphin population in Chilica can be attributed to the eviction. So it means all the people who live in a particular place, or all the people or animals of a particular type that live over there. That is why we are talking about the population. So here will be the word population. So option C is the correct answer for the question. See, natives, they means connected with the place where you are born, like, or you have lived over here. Inhabitants, a person or an animal that lives over a place. Clan means a group of families who are related to each other, and population is the most suitable answer for the given blank. Let's move to the next question, number 97. So the next one is can be attributed to the eviction of dash fish enclosures. And the options are unconstitutional, illegal, unwarranted, or illegitimate. What could be your answer? The title of the given passage, as I told in the last question, also can be Dolphins Boom in Odisha's Chilika Lake. See, the most appropriate word for the given blank can be illegal in this case, which means something which is not allowed by law. Right? So in Chilika can be attributed to the eviction of illegal fish enclosures. Let's see the other option, unconstitutional. It means which is something not in accordance with the constitution. Unwarranted means not authorized or not justified. Illegitimate means born to parents who are not married to each other. Someone who is born to parents who are not married to each other. So this one in this blank, it is the option B, illegal, as the correct answer. Next is question number 98. So you have to tell me what will be in the blank 3 now. Let's read. After thousands of hectares of Chilika Lake were made dash free, intervention free, trespass free, confiscation free, or encroachment free. What could be the correct answer in this question? See, the most appropriate one to me seems encroachment. It means intrusion or into a, it means intrusion into a person's territory. Let's look at the other options also. Intervention means the action or process of intervening. Trespass, to go into somebody else's land. Confiscation means the act of taking or seizing something from without permission. Something, taking or seizing something without permission. All right. So we just discussed option D, encroachment. Encroachment can be the correct option for this. See, it will be after thousands of hectares of Chilika Lake were made encroachment free. Irrawaddy dolphins found unobstructed area for movement. Now let's move to the next question, 99. So now you have to tell me what will come in the blank fort. Dash, due to COVID-19 lockdown last year, there were comparatively fewer tourist boats on Chilika Lake. So is it nevertheless, whereas, however, moreover, which will be the correct answer? The most one appropriate one in this question will be moreover. Let's read. Moreover, due to COVID-19 lockdown last year, there were comparatively few tourist boats on Chilika Lake. See, moreover, it means when you are adding to something, when you are adding some more information to already existing information, more information to something existing information. So nevertheless, it means in spite of something, in spite of that. Whereas means it's used for showing a fact that is different, something comparison, right? However, although something like when you're talking about using or adding a command to you, what you have already said, right? So it's something like, although something is true, but still. Okay. So this option 4, moreover, option D is the correct answer for this question. Hope you are clear with this. So let's move to the last question for this paper. This is, you have to fill in the blank number 5. You have to select the most appropriate blank. Let's read it. Which made it dash for dolphins to move from one place to of the lake to another? Options are hurtful, disturbing, detrimental, or conductive. Let's see the meaning of the words one by one so that we can be clear. Hurtful means unkind or making up somebody upset or uncomfortable, offended. Disturbing means when you're making someone worried, making you worried when you're being disturbed. Detrimental means tending to cause harm, and this conductive means, the conductive word means helping or making something happen, helping or making something happen. All right. So let's see what can be filled in this blank. Which made it hurtful, disturbing, detrimental, or conductive. Conductive for this dolphins to move from one place to of the lake to another. This one, conductive, will be fill in this blank. So this option D is the correct answer for this question. So that was all for your SSC CGL Tier-1 11 April 22 Shift 1 paper. Hope you were clear thoroughly with all the questions. If you have anything to ask or you want any sort of information or help, then please join our Telegram link. Description is given in the link is given in the description box. So keep learning, keep scoring high. Best of luck for your exams. Goodbye.